ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129-51198 or 96129-51298.
President jo Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee wa Vincent H Pala ulapan pau ye jing Sngewlem halo ke jing Khladnoh jong Salseng si Marak ubala Shakri kum menteri rangba jong jela nadu snem khakhnai spa khnai phlai hadu snem khakhnai spa khnai phra na ko Congress Party ul Salseng si Marak ula Khladnoh na perthai ka step khan ro trik nai lar anja apsa hagerta ka phra phlai snem uba Vincent lai thuru bo Salseng si Marak ule ubrio uba pau ba hak san perthai hak jela Meghalaya adi bula shaji kum MLA banmi khmat ye Resubel para constituency hak baula job khadu ye election house nam arja khatlai nakaliang jong seng congress kansala ye shimenta hak jingle buram khadu ya gamet badang sa jong Salseng hak yeng sa jong u Resubel para.
We got a news today in the morning that Salseng Marak SC Marak is no more, and we are shocked actually. Today, before we started the meeting also, we express our condolences to the family as a team, as a party. We are sending the message to the family, but on behalf of the party and on behalf of myself, I would like to express my condolence to the entire family. Salseng was a chief minister. Salseng was president of the party. Salseng was always in the minds and hearts of the Congress workers. So his death has sent a shock to all of us. We missed him, but we hope that God will grace a solemn for him, and at the same time, their family also will be able to bear the losses. I am going tomorrow, and all of us today who are ready to go, are free to go, will go. So Devara already gone. One Sukhsem is going now after some times. So many of us will go for his funeral.